And we have just completed the second week of our organizing challenge. I'll share more on that later. For now, let's get into the 12 beautiful organizing solutions and how to find the perfect organizing solution for your organizing style and spaces. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and comment below anything you find helpful or any request you may have. The first beautiful organizing solution is some kind of thrifted vessel. This could be anything like a crock for your cooking utensils, to this milk crate used to hold my daughter's makeup brushes in her old bedroom. Actually, one of my first videos on my channel was my daughter's full bedroom organization and decor tour, which I will link for you below. And I don't know about you, but I love the look of bamboo. It's just such a beautiful material, which I use in my own kitchen for drawer organization and for my beautiful tea organizer on my kitchen counter here. Another example of beautiful organization made of natural materials is to use baskets. My tip for getting baskets at a fantastic price is to check thrift stores and apps like OfferUp, which is where I actually found most of my baskets. And for those ugly piles of paper, I find that at least making two organizing systems beautiful is to use beautiful file folders for your incoming mail and a pretty wall bin for your outgoing mail. Another way to have beautifully organized spaces is to use cohesive labels. Not only do they streamline the look of your spaces, but they also help make keeping things organized super easy for your entire household. This tip might seem a little strange, but if you use sticky notes or post-its and you have them visible and they look like a cluttered mess, one way to make them look less messy is to actually print your post-it notes for any repeated tasks you may have or any long-term goals. To clean up the cluttered look of your cords and cables, you can hide them using tools like these cable clips to hide your chargers behind your nightstands, or a magazine file to hide your surge protector, or this surge protector box, which I got in white so that it blends into the wall as much as possible. Before I continue on to the rest of the beautiful ways you can organize your home, let me tell you how to decide what organizing solutions work best for you and your organizing style and your spaces. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we have just completed the second week of our organizing challenge. If you are watching this after we have started, don't worry. The free decluttering and organizing calendars and guides are in my freebie library, so you can start today. On the organizing challenge guide, I have provided hyperlinks to abundant ideas on how to organize each category of items for every space in your home. You will very likely find an organizing solution that will work for you and your organizing style and your spaces. I talked about the organizing styles in my previous video, so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. Now on to the 8th beautiful way to organize your home. For any items you must leave out, use pretty caddies like this sink organizer. It contains everything you need for dishwashing while still looking sleek. For other items you leave out, you can use pretty containers like I use for my homemade laundry products. You can also repurpose containers like I have here, where I repurposed smaller bottles of oil which I purchased at the store and labeled with the Cricut machine. I also repurposed spice jars from spices I purchased and relabeled using a regular Brother P-Touch label maker. I just refilled the oil bottles from those extra large Costco bottles of oil and the spice jars from bagged spices I purchased at the store. Another beautiful way to organize is to use stackable baskets like these. They are pretty enough to leave out and they make it super easy to reach in and grab what you need as opposed to using containers with lids. Trays can make all the difference in taking your surfaces from looking cluttered to looking beautifully organized. I actually made this tray for my eyeglasses and jewelry. This tray contained some of my daughter's makeup in her old bedroom, and here it is again in her new bedroom. And my dear friend has this lovely tray in her laundry room to catch change from laundry pockets. Decorative boxes are an obvious, beautiful organizing solution, which we use to contain my daughter's jewelry, our pictures in my coffee table, and art and labeling supplies in my office. Don't forget, if you haven't already, you can grab my organizing challenge calendar and guide full of tips and tricks on how to organize all the specific areas in your home. The link is below. In my next video, I will share 10 items you are purchasing way too many of, which are stealing your space and your peace of mind because your spaces are cluttered with too many of these things. So be sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and comment below anything you might struggle with decluttering or organizing. And feel free to share this with anyone you think might want to join the decluttering or organizing challenge. Happy organizing!